everybody. I wanted to do something fun today, and this is something that you guys can do at home too. We're going to make it rain inside. I thought it would go along with our dreary little rainy weather that we're having for the day. But before we make it rain in my house, oh my goodness, we need to know how rain starts. On our ground where we walk, on our earth, there is a lot of water. These are lakes and rivers and ponds and streams, the oceans, any big body of water where more than just a little drop or two of water accumulates or gathers. Every day, that water starts evaporating up to the air. Like just floats right up. And of course, it's so little that we can't see it. So you don't even know that it's happening, but it happens all the time. Isn't that crazy? So the water evaporates up, and then up in the sky when it gets there, it kind of becomes like a magnet. And what happens when there's two magnets, they like to stick to each other. So all those water vapors, all those little vapor, the molecules, water molecules, stick together and they make a cloud. Oh, who knew? And we get to see those clouds a lot, don't we? We get to see them on bright sunny days, and especially when it rains outside. So I wonder, what does a cloud have to do with the rain? Well, all those water vapors up there are like magnets, and they stick together and they form our cloud. Well, then that water keeps sticking together, and our cloud gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And what happens when you put your hands together and there's too much water inside your hands? It starts running between your fingers, or it runs over your fingers. It's the same idea with a cloud. When the cloud collects too much water, it gets way heavy. The water has to go somewhere. It's too full. It can't hold anymore. So that cloud breaks, and then it rains back to the ground. And a lot of it soaks up into our dirt and our soil, but the same places that the water evaporated from, our lakes and our rivers and our oceans and our streams, it rains the water right back down to them. So it's a big, huge circle. With that being said, I'm going to show you another way to understand the rain. And you can make it rain in your house. Just don't make a mess. So we're going to make it rain in Miss Missy's house. And we're going to use see-through cups. You can also use a bowl that you can look through. You just want to be able to see through it, so you can kind of see what's going on inside. You can use a mason jar, anything that's clear that you'll be able to see right through the sides. So we're going to use that, and we're going to use our handy dandy food coloring, and we're going to use shaving cream. Are you ready for this? Now Miss Missy already has a cloud in here. So I filled a cup of water. Can you see it? Hi, everybody. And that water is our lakes and our rivers and our oceans and our streams. And all day, all those water droplets have been going up to the air and sticking to each other, and they formed a cloud. How cool is that? I have a cloud in my house. Who knew? Then I have two little bowls, let's see, of water. One is blue, and one is red, because I know a lot of my friends in the classroom love the color red. So what I'm going to do is take a little squirty and fill up some red water right to the top, just like that. You could use eyedroppers or a spoon, or, pretty much whatever. And I'm going to suck up some blue too. And we'll start with the red. So my cloud is ready. Do you see how pretty and white my cloud is? Well, after a while, that rain gets really heavy. It needs somewhere to go. Do you see it? It's already starting to drop to the bottom of my cloud. There you go. My shirt kind of matches the red rain. And you're going to start seeing it. We'll do that with the red. And we'll add some blue. Some blue rain. How cool is that? Here goes our... Whoop! Did you see that? Whoop! Looks like it might start raining in here. Do you see it? It's starting to come down through the cloud. The cloud is getting too heavy to carry that rain to hold it anymore. And we'll fill it up with the red. Oh boy, do you see it? It's starting to break through the cloud. You can see it in the bottom. We can fill up our squeegees here a little bit more. And let's see. Let Miss Missy change away my whiteboard so you can really see the colors going on. That might work a little bit. Do you see all the colors? The colors are starting to drop down. The cloud got way too heavy. We're going to keep adding water and see what happens. The colors are starting to drop down through the cloud. Woo! Look at that now. Do you see all the colors moving? They're starting to come right back down all in the back. And look at how far it came down from the cloud. And the more water that cloud gets, the more magnetic water goes, the heavier that cloud gets. And the more it breaks, and the more that rain starts going right back down to the ground and refilling up all of our lakes and streams and oceans and ponds and rivers. And it just keeps going and going and going in a cycle. You can see the rain starting to come down. Isn't that cool? Pretty cool, huh? It's an easy activity that you guys can do at home. I hope you enjoyed that. We'll talk about the rain and the clouds again a little bit later. You guys have a good day. We'll see you later.